Okay, welcome back to Garden Fever. Wanted to do a quick update on this fence. I've had a lot of comments and questions about this fence since I posted the video for the first time. You can check the link in the description. But let's give you a quick rundown of the fence. I put this in. This is going on 2 years now. So this year will be the third year. I don't see any rust. It's done very good for me. It stayed relatively straight. It's held up to the weather quite well. So I'm actually really happy with it for the most part. I braided my grapes for those of you who want an update on that too. I weaved them in really good last year. They're just starting to bloom now. We're just coming out of winter. So check it out. But anyway, I haven't really seen any signs of wear and tear. The handle thing is a little bit, it's a little bit rough. It doesn't go on necessarily smooth, but it still works. So as of right now, we're doing pretty good. But yeah, check it out. So that's the update. It's done well.